The watch even DJ Khaled can get. Let me tell you one watch that almost nobody can buy from Rolex and that people are going crazy for. I'll tell you why even DJ Khaled couldn't get it and 3 things you need to know about this watch. So the first time I actually saw this watch was in 2024 when my team shared with me an image of the Rolex Barbie and I saw it and like, Mo, is this real or not? Is this like, it wasn't AI at the time, but it's like, is this real or not? And I'm like, this looks unbelievably gorgeous. I'm like, I don't think this is true. I haven't seen anyone else posted about it. I'm like, guys, no, it's not real. It's a fake image. Don't add it to our catalog. And lo and behold, a few months later goes by and we see a viral clip of Mark Wahlberg wearing the Rolex Barbie and one of his friends grabbing his wrist and saying, look what he wears, look what he's wearing, look what he's wearing. And it was real. And I was wrong. I was like, oh my God, it is actually the Rolex Barbie. They actually made this watch. And I was going crazy about it. At the time, I thought it was like a piece unique where it's like only made for, you know, Mark Wahlberg and you couldn't see it again. Sometimes you have very, very rare pieces that like only celebrities have access to. And lo and behold, we see that it then shows up again where Messi is now wearing it. And then after we see Drake wearing it. And then slowly we see it coming out. And then that was basically the first time. This was in 2024. I'm like, oh, it's an off catalog piece. The Rolex Barbie, it's here. And it was going crazy. For me, myself, I haven't seen it in person. I'm like, okay, these are like, it's rare because everyone says there's 10 in the world. So goes to point number 2, my second point, where the rumor is that there's only 10 of these available in the world. My personal opinion, and I will say it, even though yes, I do say it's only one of 10 in the world, I think it's not true. My personal opinion, I think maybe they make 10 every year. Again, I'm just taking a guess, but I'm just saying, for me, the reason I'm saying that is because we do have one available here in Dubai. And when it's available here in Dubai and we see it in person, we have it, it's like, you want to feel it's a piece unique and everything is like only 10 in the world. But my mind's telling me no, I think there's maybe 10 per year. But again, I don't know where this rumor came out of. I don't know who started saying it, but it's funny because in the watch market, someone will say something, then, you know, you'll see so many videos. I even have watched so many people saying limited of 10 in the world, limited of 10 in the world, but it's not written that on the watch. So what I'm saying it's impossible is like the one that we have, I was not allowed to take pictures. I'm not allowed to take videos. I can't even bring my phone actually in the room. It is this rare, this watch. And the reason why is because it's sensitive. So when I did create the video that went viral about it, I'm like, hey, DJ Khaled, I saw you looking for this watch. We have it.
And I know you get the call sometimes, the watches arrive, but is there one that you're hunting down? Is it the Barbie Daytona?
Yeah, I want the Barbie.
Okay.
I want the Barbie. I seen Drake with it. I seen Messi with it.
Messi, Mark Wahlberg, I think as
Mark
well.
Wahlberg, that's my brother, Mark Wahlberg.
But that watch, especially, you're trying to hunt down.
Well, I'm gonna be real with you. I don't like to use the word try to hunt down because if I was trying, I would tell you I was trying. I think it's hunting down already.
Okay.
No need to hold back anymore. We just secured it for you. So let's get DJ Khaled this watch and tag him below. And people are like, why aren't you showing it? And you know, the comments, you guys make me laugh. And I'm like, guys, this is very sensitive. The level of access you need to get this watch is, so that's why I'm allowed to talk about it. I'm allowed to say I've seen it, but I cannot show any physical proof. So this is something that's very important that a lot of people think is like, oh, you know, we have these rare watches. A lot of time it's a private sale, a safe sale. If DJ Khaled himself says he wants to watch and he has every single watch in the off catalog and he can't get this, it shows you how connected and how deep your connections are to get this. And I think because of that case, this is why we have the rumor of 1 of 10, because of how limited it is. And it goes back to my point number 3. And this is my personal statement and I will say it. In my opinion, this is the most expensive off catalog piece ever in Rolex's history. This is the off catalog of off catalogs. If you look even just at the watch, so you have 40mm Daytona, pink sapphire bezel, baguettes. And then you see even the hour markers are in baguettes, beautiful pink dial on the leather strap, gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Right now we're selling it between $3.5 million. And don't tell me Rolex Daytona, Rainbow, or all these other off-catalog pieces, which again, they're beautiful watches. Again, we're not talking about the vintages and all that stuff, but in terms of off-catalog, to me, it's the most expensive. Again, at pretty much, you want to say over $3 million for this watch. It is way past any other off-catalog piece that Rolex ever had. And this, again, if DJ Khaled, you still didn't pick up your watch, so guys, you could tag him here also. Let him know that we still have it here available for him in Dubai. And guys, if you guys are looking for off-catalog piece, even this one, if DJ Khaled doesn't pick it up, maybe you're looking for it. It is available. You guys could reach out to us at bigmowatches.com. Again, thank you guys for watching. Until next time.